Naka-ano na ba? Naka-ano na? Naka-video na.
We gonna play Shawarma Chaos. Playing with Anna. Playing with Anna.
Welcome to your night shift at Shawarma Kiosk. Let's start with the basics.
At saka, ano,
Turn on the grill. Customers just love their shawarma hot. Great. Now open the window. Let every... Before serving, be sure to read the safety rules. They're super friendly, just like we are. And while you wait, feel free to watch
don't
TV
scare me.
or listen to the radio. Music keeps the mood up. Friendly reminder, don't look into their eyes. It's more fun that way. Have a
Check
wonderful
the
shift.
camera.
Smile, serve, and
Nothing.
everything will be just perfect. They're already on their way.
I'll check the camera.
Wait for customer.
I'll go check the camera.
Wait for. Check this. Check.
Night vision.
One shawarma.
Nothing wrong. I'm gonna go outside.
Wait.
No
I'm check.
extras, just make
I'm
it
check.
fast. Got it. That'll be 150.
There's nothing wrong.
There's nothing
There's
wrong.
nothing wrong.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, serve. Okay.
Go.
Then
Just wait for me. Wait for me.
add labash. Add cheese. In the labash. Add salad.
There's nothing wrong.
Place
Serve
it
it.
to the
Serve
labash.
it. Serve it.
And add meat.
There's nothing wrong outside. Nothing wrong.
Nothing wrong outside to camera.
Yeah.
Okay. Add this. Put in the labash roll, shawarma, and give.
Here's your shawarma.
Here's your
There's
shawarma.
nothing.
Good.
Oh, we didn't have a mistake.
There's nothing growing.
Growing. I'm gonna watch TV.
Waiting in order. Rule 1.
Is
Visitor
this
with a
not?
wide smile comes
Is
in.
this
Silently
McDonald's
hands
or
the can of soda.
McDonald's?
Choose, but you can give you a day. Sometimes you must.
I'm gonna check the camera.
I'm just gonna.
Camera too. Nothing.
Nothing.
Check Anna. Oh. Wait. I'm gonna check.
Okay, one shawarma.
And
Wait. I'm gonna check.
Okay.
my doctor already likes me enough.
Something is wrong.
Is there something wrong?
Yeah.
I'm gonna turn on night vision. Okay. Oh, is there blood?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go check.
There's a blood. I don't know.
Oh, it's not blood.
It's
It's just normal.
sorry guys.
It's his skin.
Oh, okay. Open. Put in the board and add sauce. Place in the and add cheese. Put in the labash. Add salad.
Sorry, I just went.
Place in the labash.
Bro, get out.
Bro, get out. Bro. I don't know.
Ako, dito po. Ako, dito po.
And pH. Dough warm at least.
Still warm at last.
Oh.
Wait.
There's nothing wrong.
Close. I'm checking.
Why?
I'm checking camera too. Nothing. There's nothing.
There's nothing wrong.
Oh, there's coming. Oh, no!
Wait, no.
No. Don't open. Don't open. Don't
Don't
open.
open the door. Don't open the door.
Don't open.
I'm just gonna turn down this.
Don't open.
Congratulations. You
I'm
finally
gonna
been
check-
accepted for the night shift at the roadside shawarma stand. The shift usually goes
I'm
like
lagging.
but sometimes you must
Uh-oh.
also keep everything in order. If a visitor with a wide smile comes in, silently hand him a can of soda. In return, he will give you a damn wing bus and
Don't-
place it under the counter.
Don't open. Don't open.
Every Friday.
Because if you open and give a shawarma, there's a girl. There's a girl. This. Hey, I'm gonna check. I'm gonna check.
Wait. I'm gonna check. Oh, it's still him.
Still. Close.
Still him.
Because give a shawarma, there's a girl. There.
There's gonna grow a monster in here. Like, it's gonna jump scare up.
Yeah, jump
And
scare.
we're gonna lose, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna lose. There's a girl and jump scare.
Why does this guy...
Check. Is get out. No,
No!
there's not get out. Get out. No. There's a monster. Look. Yeah. Get out. The girl. Run.
What do you mean the roof?
Who next customer?
There's nothing growing here.
Check. I'm checking the camera. Ah, there's coming. Oh. Close.
Why? Why?
Check the camera too.
Oh, close. There's something in there. There's something in the back. Check it. So everyone can see it. Look. Look at the camera. See? There's something in there.
Yeah. Bakit? Even mo na. Why?
So, we're Filipinos. Let's see.
Let's see. Get out.
Yep.
No!
Yep. Close, bro.
There's
Seriously, I come all the way here dreaming about a shawarma. And the window closes right in front of me just like that.
Oy, umayos ka.
Okay, I'm back. I'm checking the camera. I'm back. One shawarma, okay.
No. Why? He didn't pay.
Let's see. Camera. Oh, she's girl.
Huh?
He didn't. Let's check the camera.
He didn't pay.
Okay.
Let's land. Oh, I mean, we can try. Let me try to make someone. Okay. I'm gonna make.
Yung sa tatay, ako'y naglayas na.
There's a lasing.
Ano ba yan?
We're gonna close the door.
No, there's a girl there, monster. I don't know, something is weird. the man?
He's drunk. He's drunk.
I don't know.
Ayaw ka rin naman.
If you wrong, there's a grow monster is there. If you
Kaya
wrong.
mo talaga. Ano ba? Kaya mo na.
We're gonna make meat.
Uli ka na. Kasama. Kasama kita. Kaya mo yan. Yung ano mo.
Sorry, so noise video
Wala na, wala na.
because birthday my friend.
Hindi mo sinarado. Makaarte. Makaarte ng arte.
Oh,
Oo, sasama.
there's coming. Oh, donut.
Donut.
Close.
Ano kasi diri?
Close.
Can you slam the window? What is wrong with you?
There's something wrong with you, girl. Just don't. There's nothing wrong in here.